Hello, digital defenders. Welcome back to Hack the Hacker. Today, we are diving into a critical topic securing your hacking distro. Whether you are using Kali Linux or Parrot, safety should be your top priority. So, let's hack into security. So, why to secure your distro? Cyber threats are evolving, and even the tools of the trade can be vulnerable. Securing your distro ensures that while you are testing a system, you are not leaving yourself open to attack. So, how to keep your distro safe? Regularly update your distro using command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and hit enter. Second step to protect your system is to configure firewall. Open a terminal and type sudo apt install ufw and sudo ufw enable. This command install and enable firewall. Firewall prevent from malwares and network-based attack. For extra security, you can also encrypt your disk during installation and also change default password immediately. Use strong and unique password for different services. Regularly backup your data. Stay informed about the latest security updates and patches. Remember, securing your distro is just as important as the hack you perform. Keep your defense as strong as your offense. If you found these tips helpful, like this video and share this video with fellow ethical hackers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity tips and tricks from Hack the Hacker. Stay safe